everybody, and this is me, missfootfixer. So we have a very, very rare lesion. So we usually see kind of wart tissues or callus tissues around the bottom of the foot or around the toe area, but very, very rarely on the lateral fifth border. And so we zoom in really, really closely. We can see lots of dead skin. So I'm just gonna start removing some of this. So she's had it kind of burnt before, which obviously hasn't worked. How often do you get this file down then yourself?
Like every time when I do like my nails or something like that.
Yeah.
So like 20 days.
Yeah. I think it's a wart. Yeah, it's a wart. So this is a wart. So a wart is a virus that has entered the skin through a dirty kind of surface. And for you, maybe because something was rubbing against the end of the foot, maybe from the shoe or something, and it has kind of mutated tissue and turned into callus. So there is really no magical cure for verrucas or warts. One thing is that you have to think positively that it will go away, like a placebo effect. The body needs to attack and get rid of it. The burning and the cutting and the medicine can help with the immunity. So by causing trauma to the area, it will tell the immunity to fight it off. But it can take a very long time because you've had this for how long?
For years, more than 5, 6
Okay.
years.
So right now your immunity is not fighting it. It doesn't care that it's there. But there is a potential that it can go away now that you know what it is. The main thing is that you need to have consistent treatment with it.
Okay, for my body starts to fine.
Yeah, and this is one treatment, but you need to go deeper. I'm not going to go deeper today, but you need to find somebody that can go deeper and make it bleed.
Okay.
Because when you make it bleed, the body's immunity will fight it.
Start to fight.
Yeah. Because right now you're just taking off the first layer of it.
Okay.
And I don't particularly want to make you bleed too much.
So I need kind of hurt that my body.
So you need cryotherapy. Try over-the-counter stuff. So if you go into the foot section and you look for warts, there's some spray, cold sprays, there's some creams. Start using those first.
Okay.
And then if those doesn't work, be very consistent and persistent. If those doesn't work, then there's laser, there's microwave technology, and those are different technology that you can try. Like I said, it's going to be tough to get rid of because it's kind of old.
Yeah.
But now you know what it is, because I don't think anybody told you what it was.
No, yes.
Before. But there is a chance that this can go away.
Okay.
So I'm not going to go very, very deep. And you can't remove all this kind of white patch because that's the wart tissue, but you can make it very, very even.